I'm gonna be honest with you right now. I'm gonna be real. Sometimes I think about getting into the game, man.
What game?
Shit, what game? The game, man. Running licks, slanging, cooking it, whipping it, and making money, man. We doing it, but they doing it on a different scale.
Yeah.
Cause the drugs that I want, what? You ain't gonna tell nobody, right? Cool.
I can't stay.
So some poor mofo busted my lip the other day playing basketball. Got some dry blood, and you're gonna gradually see it disappear throughout the day / video. Cause it's all in one day. Enough said. Enjoy.
Is it on? How do you work this thing? Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're doing things a little different today. So different I could probably get pulled over and get a ticket because I'm doing illegal shit right now. Fingers crossed. Be good footage though. Anyway, I'm gonna get some subscribers. Stop. Focus. I got some work I gotta do, and usually when I got some work that I gotta do, it involves traveling. And where am I going? Well, I'm not gonna tell you that so soon in the video. Usually when I go on these trips and go on hiatus, did I say that right? Hiatus. I don't keep you guys informed. And I figured this time I'm gonna do something different. Keep you guys in the loop. You know what happens when I'm not behind and in front of the camera. Although I'm still in front and technically not. I'm holding behind the camera, so I'm like behind. This is too much. What am I talking about? Oh yeah. Very rarely do I get a afternoon flight. So I got one and I'm like, yo, let me get some breakfast. I gotta think about, I'm not looking at that, not that, but this. This is on my Galaxy Note. So it's gonna be that. It's all random, I'm telling you. All random. Figured I'd go get some breakfast, take you guys with me, run a little errand. Just one errand. We're gonna pick somebody up named Aaron. Why do they call it that? Errands. Was there a guy named Aaron that did shit for everybody? A little punk? I'll do it. I guess I'll do it. I'll go. Yo, let's go run some errands. Let's do it. I'll stop. Take you guys first things first, we're gonna go to one of my favorite places. What? First things first, we're gonna go to one of my favorite places to eat. Illegal shit's happening right now. I'm looking out for cops. Yeah, Doc Greens, here we come, baby. Pay me for this shit, alright? Pay me for this, Doc. Pay me. Reserved for I'm doing more illegal shit and I'm documenting it all. I'm damn sure eating here. Alright, so we made it. It's Doc Greens, and this is where I always go. She's my favorite. And I think she knows what I want.
Yeah, the berries blast, the regular size, peanuts and coconut flakes.
Man, she be on it. She be on it. Thank you. Bose, acai, however you say it. Anyway, all right, next up, let's go run this errand. Aaron, I'm coming for you. Who got that front parking? I did. Until where? A Best Buy. They didn't. Oh, damn it, the tree. So here's the thing. I've bought these bastards twice already and lost them. That's right, twice. Do I really want to do this again? Do I? Discount? Anybody discount? Nope. Okay, I'm embarrassing myself. I'll stop. What's today's date?
Today's Thursday.
Thursday? I heard it was Thursday, Free Bose Day. It rhymed. I tried. It tried. All right, I did it again. Can you see me? Is it dark? I'm getting sunlight. I tried it. Did you see me try it? Did you hear me try it? Huh? Thursday, Bose Day. I'm crazy. I did it again. I better not lose these. They good headphones though, man. On the plane, you can't hear nothing, man. These noise cancellations. I did an unboxing for it. Check it out. It's in the video. I'll leave a link in the description. Just saying. Yeah, man. The plane gonna sound like an electric plane today. Mm-hmm. Especially on the plane, can't hear nothing, man. All them jets, it's like electric fan. They good headphones though, man. You can't hear nothing. It's like a electric. Oh, what the fuck? You know, I just realized you guys aren't gonna be able to see my dog, Zazu. You've seen him once in a couple videos, once or twice. When I travel, I drop him off somewhere, so it's not at the house. Meaning you won't get to see him. I don't know why I said it like that, but I said it. It happened. I can't take it back. I mean, I could delete it to do it again, but I'm not. Oh man, you guys know what sucks? My dog. You won't get to see. I'm not doing it again.
Baby, that's my plan. That's my baby, that's my.
Calm yourself, boy. Yeah. All right, so I got like an hour or so to spare, so I'm about to get some shut eye. Why you do that when you're tired? What is that? Hopefully everything's in check, and now I'm off. He's taking me to the airport.
Gotta double check. We're gonna get up the road. Yeah.
We are.
Come on, man. Let's go.
You locked the door?
Oh, God damn it. I got you.
Be thieving out here, man.
Hey.
Look at these feathers, man. It's so mystical. And I don't mean watch yourself. I mean like mystical, like. Oh, I can have him. I can have him, bro. Oh, I can have him, bro. Damn, my black bird out on. All right, so I'm here. Made it to the airport. I don't know if you can hear me, but people are looking at me. I want some pizza so bad. I'm trying to eat better. So we're gonna hold off on the pizza. But damn, I want some pizza. It's right there. I want some pizza, man. I ain't gonna do it. We're gonna keep on trucking. Look at them. They're trying to tease me because somehow they got sky priority. But their seats are literally in front of mine. All right, so I don't want to speak too soon. You know it's bad luck, but I'm gonna see you one more time. Look, she could never put a seatbelt on. Hey man, can you move that? It's in the way. I tend to stretch. Come on, man. Give me a break. Hey, give me a break. Man, you still Danny from the block. Hey, thanks, man. Smell like ass. Smell like quinceañeras. Video and wasn't recording. I gotta do it again. Just got here. Got a break today. Start working tomorrow. They in front of me. You know that Scott Priority. Scott Priority got me in front of me. Hey man, I love y'all, man. Just being randomly generous. Hey, you for not turning around. You wonderful person, you. Fun fact, I barely check my bags. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got to go through that. All I need. All I need is you. The little Scooty did, oh you missed it. A little fork in the road, a little speed bump. One of the company bags is gone, man. It's gone. I don't know what's in it. It might be important. Might be the start button. We don't know. Point is, I don't check no bags. That's the point I'm trying to make. Well, our driver just left. So guys, where we want to go? I was thinking McDonald's.
Yeah, I'm cool with that.
Let's do it. I'm gonna be honest with you right now. I'm gonna be real. sometimes I think about getting into the game, man.
What game?
Shit, what game? The game, man. Running licks, slanging, cooking it, whipping it,
Hey,
and making money, man. We doing it, but they doing it on a different scale.
yeah.
Cause the drugs that I want, what? You ain't gonna tell nobody, right? Cool. Migros. You beat me too. You beat me too. Stop stealing my thunder, bitch. Stop stealing my thunder. Migros. Man, stop stealing my thunder, bitch. Yo, our driver just dipped again.
Yo.
The hotel is right here. You looking over there. He dipped on us. He dipped on us. There you go. Damn. Yo! We found it. We found it. He trying though. He trying hard, man. He doing his job. He doing his job, man. He going the extra mile, literally an extra mile up the road. Thanks, man. Okay. Good, count. There you go. Good job, man. Don't tell nobody about the drugs. Remember the drugs? Don't tell nobody. Yo, definitely one of my favorite places to be. So as you probably already know from the edits and shit, in Switzerland, you hear the church bells? Some church bells over there going on. Man, I know I'm a grown ass man, but when you see some swings, you gotta use the swings, all right? You know you do. Don't lie. You see some swings. My headphones almost fell off. All right, first things first, food. My door is open. Close it. It's not closing. There you go. All right, let's get some food. Yeah, I've lost these things twice over 2 years. Let's get some food now. Wait, what? Oh, snap. I got pizza in Switzerland, so what? So what? It's homemade. Switzerland pizza. Switzerland pizza is what I said. Had to throw some greens on there. Appreciate it, Danny. Thanks for my greens, man. Look at this. Look damn good. Gotta get these veggies in my system, man. How the pasta, y'all? It's good? Lisa like it, you know it's good. You know what I'm saying? Your back leg. Your back leg hurt? Yeah, it's quite the hill. You got it. You got it. You got his own. Oh. Oh, she got it. Oh. Almost there. There you go. Yeah. Can't tell you who. You made it, girl. Swizzy.
Hoje eu tô pesadão, carregando vários pentes. É tudo que eu sempre quis, pra mim ficar contente. O mano tá tipo bomba e as mina bumbum granada. Vai taca.
The water's over there, bro. It was going down fast. Goddamn.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. Oh.
You gonna die?
He crying. Look how stubborn this fly is.
The oven?
We all relax, man. I ain't gonna even mess your day up.
Or is there another option? Without
Knock me out.
Yeah,
This
or
fly is
without it.
chilling, man. Go. Oh.